Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tejasvi and I'm an interior designer. Welcome to an empty project tour of one of my dream projects. It's a 5 BHK bungalow. I've literally seen this project starting from phase 0 and now we are working towards making this dream a reality. I'm an interior designer and like every other interior designer, I always had a dream checklist of the kind of projects that I want to work upon. And over the years, I've designed everything: 2 BHKs, 3 BHKs, penthouses, duplexes, a lot of commercial spaces like offices, saloons, gyms, etc. But this project hits different. What makes this project very special is that I have been involved in this project since the construction phase itself. That gave me a lot of creative freedom to take smart decisions early on, whether it was civil changes or switchboard placement or creating elevations that align perfectly with my interior plan. All this was pre-planned even before the structure was getting made. And because of this early intervention, we have saved a lot of time, energy, money, and most importantly, a lot of unnecessary civil changes later on. And if you are an interior designer, you will understand the value of getting involved in the project beforehand. And if you agree, please drop a red heart in the comments below. So yes, this project is definitely one of the projects that is very close to my heart, not because of its scale, but because I have poured my heart and soul into this project. And that is one of the reasons why I thought of sharing this journey with you guys, so that you guys get to see how a project evolves from literally scratch to a finished product. And I really hope you find this video helpful. I'll try to make this video as insightful as possible, so stay tuned till the end. For me, how I manage my team, my site and my project comes first. Of course, designing is important, but for me the execution is the real deal, and that's why I'm very keen on modifying my business strategies and my execution strategies as well. So I hope this video gives you a raw, real world insight on what it takes behind creating beautiful homes. Okay, so before we begin, let me quickly give you a brief idea about the concept behind this project. Basically, the theme that we have decided is modern contemporary. From the exterior elevation to the interior details, everything has a very minimal and modern touch. In every project that I do, I stick to my design sensibility and my design preferences, and along with that I also try to merge my client's personality into that home. Of course, at the end of the day, they are going to live in the home for years and years, so every project of mine is the perfect mix of my design philosophies and my client's personality. From the door frames to the ceiling details, everything has that modern minimal touch to it, which ties the entire home together. Alright then, this is it for the introduction. Let's quickly dive right into the video. Quite a big intro, but it was necessary for me to introduce the project to you guys. Now that you have understood everything, let's quickly dive right into the project tour. This is how the bungalow looks like. It's a 5 BHK 3000 square feet bungalow. This is the front elevation, and they have row houses connected at the back. There is a common wall between the row house and the bungalow, which we have distinguished with these two pillars right here. Finishing the bungalow with paint and tiles. The work is still going on, so we are also working on the exterior as well as the interior together. तो बेसिकली अभी एक्सटीरियर का भी काम चालू है, इंटीरियर का भी चालू है, बट जितना भी हुआ है I'll quickly show you empty project tour. So basically this is like the back side, जहाँ पे हमने ये ग्रिल का डिज़ाइन किया है. The entire grill design is customized for the space. This is the back entrance and this is the main entrance. So basically this is how the garden is gonna look like. The entire area is gonna get covered in lawn and trees. We have already started installation of the trees. We have planted a few, लेकिन और भी ज़्यादा plantation करना है. Basically lawn आएगी, ये पूरा area is gonna get covered in greenery. So the landscape design is still in process. अभी we are working on the exteriors and the interiors. So this is the main entrance. यहाँ पे एक थोड़ा सा लेवल चेंज है. आई हैव अ रियली गुड डिज़ाइन डन फॉर दिस एरिया. बेसिकली दिस इज़ गोना लुक लाइक अ पाथवे लीडिंग टू द मेन एंट्रेंस, मेन डोर. सो यहाँ पे दोनों साइड पे फुट लैम्प्स, इनडायरेक्ट लाइटिंग एंड पेबल्स आने वाले हैं. देन ऑब्वियसली यहाँ पे स्पॉटलाइट्स है, वुडन सीलिंग टू गिव दैट वार्म फील टू द एंट्रेंस, एंड दिस वॉल इज़ द मेन हाईलाइट जहाँ पे हमने पूरा टाइल का काम किया है बेसिकली। यहाँ पे आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू डू अ 3D आर्ट और अ म्यूरल, बट आई एम स्टिल स्केप्टिकल ऑनेस्टली, इसका डिज़ाइन फाइनल नहीं हुआ है। तो इफ़ यू गाइज हैव सम सजेशन प्लीज़ ड्रॉप इन बिलो। फॉर नाउ दिस एरिया इज़ ऑन होल्ड, वी आर स्टिल वर्किंग ऑन इट, एंड देन when we move ahead we have this porch, main porch, which leads to the bungalow. So right after we enter the main door, यहाँ पे एक partition आएगा which will divide the foyer and the kitchen into two parts. So basically यहाँ पे एक lobby होगी which is leading us to our living room, and it's a very big massive living room जिसकी fall ceiling is completed and बहुत सुंदर लग रही है, मतलब जैसे मैंने डिज़ाइन किया था, the curves, the detailing, the finishing is looking like really good. So this is the living room, and then right at the corner we have our mandir area. It's a very big मंदिर. So मुझे किचन में या डाइनिंग में मंदिर नहीं देना था, सो आई वांटेड अ सेपरेट डेसिग्नेटेड स्पेस फॉर मंदिर. उसके बाद लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड टू आवर किचन एरिया. बाय द वे पूरा फ्रेमिंग का काम भी हो चुका है, सो वी हैव यूज्ड आर्टिफिशियल टाइल्स हर जगह पे, मतलब ईच एंड एवरी डोर फ्रेम, विंडो फ्रेम इज़ कवर्ड विथ द टाइल, which is a very good material and I'm obsessed with these tiles. हार्डली मेरे प्रोजेक्ट्स पे आपको कभी ग्रेनाइट दिखेगा, वेरी रेयरली. करंटली आई एम ऑब्सेस्ड ओवर दीज टाइल्स, एंड ड्यूरेबल है, बजट फ्रेंडली, प्लस अ लॉट ऑफ डिज़ाइन ऑप्शंस आर अवेलेबल फॉर यू टू सिलेक्ट. तो येस, दिस इज़ द किचन विद द डाइनिंग. सो यहाँ पे एज आई टोल्ड यू, the entire partition is gonna divide the lobby and the kitchen. So यहाँ पे in front of this window right here we are planning to have a good 8-seater dining, and camera actually isn't doing the justice, but the space is really big. Then यहाँ पे this is the kitchen area जिसका platform is ready, and we have also installed the waterfall sink. So sorry for the mess, but this is how the kitchen looks like for now. And then we have a store room here जहाँ पे सब स्टोरेज होगा. बेसिकली द किचन विल बी वेरी क्लीन एंड मिनिमल. यहाँ पे बहुत कम स्टोरेज होने वाला है. मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द स्टोरेज विल बी हियर, सो वी हैव डिजाइंड अ सेपरेट स्टोर रूम. एंड लास्टली एट द एंड यहाँ पे दिस इज़ द वेट एरिया जहाँ पे वॉशिंग का सब काम होगा. सो योर वॉशिंग मशीन, डिश वॉशर, एवरीथिंग इज गोना be here, and this is the door which leads us to the back area, and this is the grill design that I showed you earlier. So this is how the entire kitchen and the living room looks like. It's very messy, very chaotic, I know, but this is how a site functions. Honestly, from chaos to aesthetics is the actual journey. And right in front is the staircase, again done in the artificial tile, which leads us to the first floor, which I'll talk about in a while. So let's skip the terrace for now. On the right is the first bedroom, which is going to be children's bedroom, and I'm obsessed with this bedroom already. I love the design, I love the bathroom tiles, everything is like very good. And on the left is the master bed. Sorry, before the master bed here is the common guest room, powder room or guest bathroom. And then as we move on further, this is the master bedroom. So yeah, we have already pre-planned the wardrobe, so niches are already done in the construction only. And this is going to be the back panel for the bed. This is the false ceiling, and I'll quickly show you the bathrooms. They are half done, not fully done. So this is the children's bedroom, and this is the children's bathroom. We have a very lovely powder blue theme going on here, and then this is the children's bed, this is the children's ceiling. So basically in this room we are actually playing with the curves, and I'm loving that already. यहाँ पे ceiling का थोड़ा काम हुआ है. So yeah, a lot of things are still in progress, coming to life very soon. So these are the stairs. We have particularly extended the stairs towards this side, and we have used the negative space to create a planter wherein we are going to plant a very big tree. For now, that's the plan. So basically, this is the planter that we have made in brickwork, and then we have finished it in the artificial tile, which then extends towards the staircase. So as we go up, we have this double height area above, wherein we are planning to do wall paneling on this wall as well as this wall. So the paneling that we are planning to do for this particular area will start from here. It will go up and then it will stretch on the ceiling and then it will come down on this wall. So it's going to be a U-shaped paneling which will have a continuous flow, and this is the lobby. On the left is the master bed. This is how the ceiling of this bedroom looks like. On the left is the washroom, and we have again used the artificial tile to finish all the ledge walls, even the window frames and the niches and the door frames as well. So there is this continuous flow in the entire bungalow. You can spot these tiles. These are not exactly white tiles, they have this texture on it. These are little beige, not exactly pure white, but it maintains the uniformity and the flow and the harmony in the entire bungalow. This is how the ceiling of this room looks like. As you can see, I have tried to use different designs for all the ceilings in this bungalow. So basically we have 5 bedrooms, 1 kitchen, 1 living room and 1 office. So for each of the room, I have tried my best to use different designs just to make sure that each room has its own character and its own drama. So yeah, that's all for this bedroom. Let's move on to the other bedroom. So this is the bedroom on the right side of the staircase. This is the washroom. All the sanitary fittings are here on the side. They're all delivered, but we have paused the installation. We are going to do the water testing first, the TDS testing and everything. So for that, the installation of the plumbing fixtures is on hold. This is how the ceiling of this room looks like. So we have created this cove detail which runs throughout the periphery of the room, and this particular is the wardrobe area. This wardrobe will be full height, and that is why we did not do any ceiling on the top. And then this will be the bed back, and here we'll have the TV unit. So as we move forward, here is the balcony of this bedroom. It's a small cute little balcony with this elevation element, and as we move forward we enter the terrace of this bungalow. This is the terrace area, and this is the box ceiling that we are currently working on.
So basically the ceiling starts from here and then extends towards the balcony. It's a big terrace and we are also looking forward to plan landscape here on this terrace, and then on the parapet wall we are gonna install the glass railing, and along with that we also have a lot of interesting light elements here on the terrace. And also I would like to talk about this marble looking tile which we have installed on the elevation just to elevate the elevation. And these were the 3 options, like option number 1, option number 2, option number 3, but we went with this one. It looks fabulous on the wall. If we look from the other side of the balcony, this is the view that we are getting, and the ceiling of the terrace is going to get extended towards the balcony in this way. With that being said, let's move forward to the last room. Before that, we have a open area which we are thinking of using in a multi-purpose way. And then we have the last room here which is locked currently. I have all the material stored inside, but I'll show you the room some day later. And then we again have one more washroom here with black flooring, which I'm very excited about.
Just noticed a very cute thing. Let me show you guys. Basically, in the corner of this false ceiling, there is this cute little nest. I think sparrows have built it, but super cute to see the sparrows enjoying my false ceiling. So that's it for my today's video. I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough of my ongoing project. Every little detail and every decision that you see has been made out of a lot of thought and a lot of intention, and honestly we have been very particular about everything that we put in there, be it the design or be it the execution. We have been very intentional, and that is why this project is taking a lot of time, but I know for a fact that it's going to be all worth, and I cannot wait for this project to come together. I have put in a lot of creative ideas into this project, and I cannot wait to share all those ideas with you guys. So yeah, just waiting to get done with the project so that I can share it with you guys very soon. So if you have any questions, be it design, material, execution, business, like any question about any particular topic related to interior industry, please feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'll try my best to reply to the maximum comments, and also if I get a lot of similar questions, I'll try to make a dedicated video so that it addresses to a larger audience. And one more thing, I've also created a free PDF guide with all the drawings and the technical details that I have used for this project. So please go ahead and download the PDF guide for your reference. I hope it helps you in some way. Alright then, I think that's it for my today's video. Thank you so much if you have stick till the end. Please let me know if you have any questions whatsoever. Also, please let me know if you have any suggestion for the videos. If this video helps you even 1%, please let me know in the comments below, and do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such insightful videos. And that's it for today's video. I'll see you super soon in my next video. Till then, toodles.